In today's video, we'll learn about a magical herb that has been treasured in Ayurvedic traditions for centuries. This powerful ingredient is known for its incredible skin brightening properties, helping to reduce dullness and even out skin tone naturally. And that's not all. I'll be revealing exactly what to mix in this powerful blend based on your skin type, whether you have dry, oily, sensitive, or normal skin. Ready to brighten your skin naturally in just 7 days? Stay tuned. Alright friends, let's see the ingredients first. Starting with Manjistha Powder, a not so well known Ayurvedic herb with incredible skin brightening and detoxifying benefits. It reduces pigmentation, evens out skin tone, and leaves your skin with a natural healthy glow. Friends, this recipe is super simple, easy to make, and highly effective. We'll need 3 tablespoons of Manjistha powder for this recipe. Let's move forward to our next ingredient, Sandalwood Powder. Known for its cooling and soothing properties, sandalwood helps reduce blemishes, calms irritated skin, and adds a natural glow. We'll need 3 tablespoons of sandalwood powder for this recipe. This duo of Manjistha and sandalwood is a match made in skincare heaven. While Manjistha works deep to detoxify and brighten the skin, sandalwood cools and soothes, leaving your skin soft, even toned, and naturally radiant. Together, they create the perfect base for a glowing, flawless complexion. Now let's add our final powerhouse ingredient, wild turmeric. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Wild turmeric helps fight acne, reduce dark spots, and give your skin a healthy golden glow. We'll need 1.5 teaspoons of wild turmeric to complete this magical blend. This amazing combination of Manjistha, sandalwood, and wild turmeric is everything your skin needs for that radiant, healthy glow. While Manjistha detoxifies and brightens, sandalwood calms and evens out skin tone, and wild turmeric fights acne and adds a natural glow. Together, they work in perfect harmony to give you clear, smooth, and naturally bright skin. Now, combine all the measured ingredients and keep mixing until everything is perfectly blended. Make sure there are no lumps. You want a smooth, uniform mixture for the best results. This step is important because the more evenly mixed it is, the better it will apply on your skin, ensuring that each ingredient works its magic effectively. Once you have fine, consistent texture, your brightening face pack base is ready. Store it in an airtight container to keep it fresh and potent. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to preserve the quality of the Manjistha, sandalwood, and wild turmeric. This will make it easy to use whenever you need a quick skin brightening boost. After that, set it aside. Now let's move on to how you can customize this pack based on your skin type. First, let's talk about normal skin type. Take a desired amount of the brightening face pack base and add tomato juice, just enough to make a smooth paste. Tomato juice is rich in antioxidants and natural acids, which help tighten pores and brighten the skin. Mix well until you get a fine, consistent texture, and just like that, it's ready to use. For sensitive skin, mix the base with aloe vera gel until smooth. Aloe vera soothes and calms irritation, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. Mix well and it's ready too. For oily skin, mix the base with rose water until smooth. Rose water helps control excess oil and tightens pores. Mix well and it's ready too. For dry skin, take a desired amount of the base and mix it with olive oil or almond oil until smooth. These oils deeply nourish and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Mix well and then it's ready. Now you have 4 options for every skin type. For normal skin, use tomato juice to brighten. For sensitive skin, mix with aloe vera gel to soothe. For oily skin, add rose water to control oil. For dry skin, use olive or almond oil for deep hydration. Now, let me show you how to apply it. I am taking the mixture and gently applying it all over my face in an even layer. Make sure to avoid the eye area and spread it evenly for the best results. Once applied, let it sit for 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Relax and let your skin soak in all the goodness. Once the pack is dry, gently rub it off in circular motions to exfoliate and release the pack from your face. After that, rinse with cold water. And don't forget to follow up with toning to balance your skin and moisturizing to lock in hydration for that soft, glowing finish. You liked this simple recipe. Very soon I'll be sharing an Ayurvedic cream using Manjistha. So stay connected. Take care of yourself and stay radiant.